Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 111th Ave and 170th Street. Today we have a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 Crew Cab 4x4 Denali. This vehicle features a 6.2-liter V8 paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, producing 355 horsepower. On the front of this vehicle, you have LED headlights and fog lamps. On the front bumper, you have dual tow hooks and clearance sensors. And as we step into the driver's side, we see your 12-way power driver's seat with seat adjusters, including 4-way power lumbar control and 2-position driver memory. The driver's door also has your power mirrors with folding capability, power locks, and your power windows also have child safety features on the door. On the driver's side dash, you have your tow settings and drive mode selector, headlight controls, as well as your display brightness settings. Moving to the center dash, we see your 8-inch center display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your dual climate controls, and the heated and ventilated seat settings for you and your passenger. In the center console, you have a dual cup holder, and on top of the armrest, you have a QI wireless charger for your phone. Inside, you have a large storage compartment for your belongings. The driver's steering wheel is heated and has cruise control, active collision alert, Bluetooth hands-free, and a mode selector for your driver's display. Here you'll find information like the speed limit, a timer, tire pressure monitoring system, oil life, fuel range, and a trip meter. Above, you have a power sunroof with a manual sunshade. And on the rearview mirror, you have voice command with OnStar communication, an SOS button for emergency services in the case of an accident. And outside, you have power side steps that activate when you open the doors. This vehicle also comes with 20-inch steel Denali wheels. In the rear, we see your WeatherTech mats, and the interior is shown in dark sand. The rear bench seat folds 60/40 for additional cargo space in the cab. In the center of the seat, you have your passenger pull-down armrest with a dual cup holder, as well as power window controls on the passenger doors. The center console in the rear features a small storage compartment and a 12-volt power supply. Moving to the rear, we see your Rev Industries hard folding cover over top of your 5'8" box. Under the tailgate handle is where you have your reverse camera, and inside we see the factory Denali box liner. So drop by the dealership today, where we will set you up with a Lexus professional and find a vehicle best suited for you. It's time to experience amazing with Lexus of Edmonton.